beautiful.
Oh really? That's a really good one for van lifers.
Happy Australia Day, mate. Stay awesome! Stay awesome!
The theme of this week is safety.
Safety.
Especially with electricity.
Alright.
Yeah.
And have you met my beautiful girlfriend?
Hey?
Have you met my beautiful girlfriend?
Okay. Oh, he's got that many girlfriends. I can't keep up. I can't keep up.
This is my beautiful
Julia was.
No, you're my Kiwi. Oh, yes, Kiwi too.
Oh, he's got that many. He doesn't know how to do with them, mate. 2 Kiwis. Geez, you're doing well. On Australia Day too. On Australia Day. Yeah.
Yeah, you know that bloke called Sean?
Yeah, I know him. There he is there. There's Sean there. Yeah. Yeah, oh, he's going to put the Ray Ban on, eh?
Alright, mate, look, can I get my beautiful girlfriend into the... Look, I'm playing on a leg.
Hey, Gazza, how you going?
Yeah, not too bad, mate.
Yeah, I welcome you to a party, mate.
Oh, well, I'm very pleased to be here. We've gone from 12 volt to 24 volt.
Yeah. Well, yeah, actually, we have gone to up the voltage a bit for you, mate, because this video is about power in the van.
Power in the van?
Yeah, so let's see how much power we can give you.
Alright, so
okay.
how much fucking beer is in the fridge?
No, you hop in. We've got beer in the fridge. Don't worry about that.
Beer in the fridge?
Yeah, hop in. There you go.
Yeah, beer in the fridge.
Here we go.
I got me smoke.
Oh, he's always putting his smoke out.
There's
You
no
may as well.
smoking in the fucking van.
No smoking.
That's right.
No smoking and no
No,
rooting.
stay awesome. We're not, no smoking in the van.
And no rooting.
And no rooting.
Yeah, okay.
Alright.
That's the only rules.
Have you got the fucking mirror in yet?
No, I haven't got the mirror in yet.
Oh my god.
Okay, Gazza. Okay.
There we go.
Introduce Gazza. Here he goes. In the van. Stay awesome. Go over where Sean is.
Do you like a beer, Gazza?
Yeah, mate.
Gotta stay awesome.
Bottle opener?
Gotta stay awesome.
Oh, there you go, Gazza. You got beer and you got power, Gazza.
Gotta stay awesome.
Power in the van. We've got Gazza and we've got power and we've got beer.
Gotta stay
And we've got Sean there.
See, Sean and I got...
stay awesome.
Crank it up a bit, Sean, if you're going to have a disco.
Alright.
Alright, ready?
Okay, ready?
Let me smack that. Let me smack that. Let me smack that. Let me smack that ass. Let me smack that.
Oh, there's that white butt I've seen skinny dipping out the front. Oh, that's gold.
Alright, so this is the test stand. You ready?
There you go. What are you on? Hey, I've got the fire extinguisher in the front. No. I didn't ask him to do that.
I should be doing Look at that.
Alright.
Oh, Gazza, no, no blue flames, Gazza.
This is how it is. You're my chicks at the day.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey, you. Stay awesome.
Stay awesome.
Stay awesome.
And there's actually fucking cold beer in the fridge.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey, you know what else we've got here, Gazza? I haven't showed you yet. That's it.
Let me smack that.
There you
How
go.
good is Silvertail?
Look at that, Gazza.
Your ass.
Have a look at that. What's on the screen there?
Oh.
Hey? The movie night, Gazza.
Holy crap.
Hey? You like that?
I like that.
Yeah, sort of thought the electrics was working pretty well.
Yeah, fucking oath.
Hey?
Thanks Christ a proper electrician wired it up, eh?
Yeah, it's only 12 volts so far. The 240 volts there, but we haven't used it yet. Come on, you burnt your chest, you bloody shaved us your ass. Everyone's walking off now.
Hey, yeah, but nice ass, eh?
Yeah, it is nice and white. Yeah.
Once upon a time I had a nice ass like yours, but
Here we go. There you go. Start dancing, Gaza.
Stay awesome!
Oh, of course he did.
Oh no. Oh, he got it down his pants. Hey viewers, welcome to another episode of Stay Awesome Van Life. This week I have Daryl.
That's me.
He's starring in the show. Sorry, Gaza. You're going to have a co-star this week. And Daryl's going to fit a electrical switchboard to the Renault Master with trip switches and circuit breakers, and the big word being earth leakage.
Yeah.
And we're going to hear about an unfortunate dog that went for a walk with its owner. The owner had a metal lead. The dog decided to do a pee on a van that hadn't been wired up correctly, and we'll let you know the end result, and it wasn't good. So the shore power is going to be plugged in and tested. So what we're doing now is Daryl's checking that we've got power to the power points, but you need to make sure that the trip switch is actually tripped. So if you weren't a Sparky, you wouldn't have a clue, and you'd think, oh great, I've got power, but you've got power without a trip switch working. You don't want that. You want it all working. So he's making sure this all works properly as it has to. We're testing the power point, Daryl, aren't we?
Well, we're testing. We've got power coming through the switchboard.
Yep.
And now this is an RCD tester.
Yeah.
And when we go to 30 millivolt around here, this should trip. And it hasn't. So I've got to check the rest of it. So
Okay.
Yeah.
So we've got power. We've just got to make sure the trip switches work.
Okay.
And what's that called again, Daryl?
It's an RCD Polarity Tester.
Oh, okay.
They're not very expensive,
Yeah.
but this is when you're using your caravan regular.
Yeah.
If you buy one of those, and then because you're constantly plugging in your power
Yeah.
from the grid, so you can just check any power point by using one of these, and it tells you at a glance whether it's electrically safe.
Oh, okay.
RCD, residual circuit breaker.
I'll be writing that down.
Okay, so we've got power there.
Yeah. So we just changed a few things in, didn't we, Daryl? We put two 20 amp fuses in.
Yep, circuit breakers.
Yeah. What are you trying to do now, Daryl?
Testing it.
Okay, what, you're going over the top there? You got a grinder in your hand.
Yeah, we're going just to see how bloody awesome this really
Okay.
is.
Whoa! Whoa! Man! We definitely have power.
Then when we get the other part finished, you'll be able to run it off the battery.
Off the inverter.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yep.
Oh, great. Here we go. This is the proof in the pudding, as Daryl called it. Okay, here we go. Jeez. Awesome. How's that, guys? If you want to cook something with a angle grinder, it works.
Cut your snags with it.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, thanks for that, Daryl.
You're welcome.
Thanks heaps.
Stay awesome.
And the moral of the story is the owner was walking his dog. the owner had a metal lead and the dog did a piss on the back wheel of the van that did not have all the electrical safeguards we've exhibited today, and unfortunately the dog was electrocuted. The electricity run up the metal lead the owner had attached to the dog, and the dog owner was electrocuted too as a result of poor, really illegal 240 volt install inside a van. So everyone must heed this warning that it's both illegal to do it yourself, and really it's awfully dangerous, and it will also void any insurance you have on that vehicle. So that's the message. Get a qualified electrician to do the work, and yes, stay awesome and alive.